Today I'm going to use maths to try and create a never-ending block of some of my favourite stuff. Chocolate. Let's check it out. So here's what you'll need. You'll need a full block of chocolate. Any chocolate will do as long as it has clearly marked rows and columns in small squares. You'll need a chopping board and a sharp knife and someone to supervise you when you're using the sharp knife. The sharp knife is important for this trick because you need an accurate cut to make the trick work. You'll also need a ruler so we can add the maths element into this trick. The first step of this trick is to make a diagonal cut across one row, at least 2 rows from the bottom of the block, as you can see in the picture here. The second step is to cut down the line of the first column until you meet that diagonal cut. The third step is to cut just a single square away from the top of the first column. Once you have made your cuts, now we can put your block back together. Move the single square away to the side. Now swap the positions of the 2 pieces on top so the bigger piece now sits on the left and the single column sits on the right. Bring these 3 pieces together to restore your block to its original size and score yourself a bonus piece. So how did we manage to get our full block of chocolate back and somehow create a magic bonus piece? Sound too good to be true? To solve this trick, we need to use a bit of maths. Okay, let's look at our original block of chocolate and compare it to the final block once the bonus piece is removed. Are the blocks the same size? Looks pretty good to me. Your family will never guess you've stolen a piece, unless they look closer. If we measure the dimensions of our blocks, that is the width and the length, we will find that the final block is missing a few millimetres off its length. That means its total area is less and smaller than the original block. This is barely noticeable overall, but if you look closely, the size of the squares in the row that the diagonal cut is made are slightly smaller than the other squares. It's enough to trick the eye, but the truth is revealed in the measurements of the block. In summary, the bonus chocolate square is equal to the few millimetres difference across the cut row. The difference just appears more obvious when bunched together in a square than the subtle change across the whole cut row. Well, I hope you can use this trick at home to impress your friends and family and convince them that you too have a never-ending block of chocolate. Remember to keep the magic alive and don't reveal your secrets until they are impressed with your skills. I hope you've enjoyed using some maths and chocolate for this simple trick at home. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.